Breaking news coming in on the Bengaluru lockdown. Karnataka's Chief Minister has just said that the lockdown will only be for 1 week and will not be extended beyond that 1 week. Remember, this is some good news, some relief for the people of Bengaluru. There had been speculation that the 1 week full lockdown may be reviewed and extended beyond that. But Mr. Yediyurappa, the Chief Minister, now says that this re-lockdown will only be for a period of 1 week. Today, the Chief Minister had a meeting with the COVID task force, and the state is not willing to extend the 1 week lockdown in Bengaluru urban and rural beyond the current 7 days that begins tomorrow. Nolan Pinto with me live. Nolan, how is the city doing as it prepares for the lockdown for 1 week? Some good news, it won't be extended beyond that 1 week.
Well, Shiv, in fact, most of the people were very worried. What if they might just increase it by another few days? Because anyhow, on 22nd, they might just push it to Sunday or Monday. This is what people were worried. But with the Chief Minister now tweeting, stating that the government is not willing to extend it for more than 1 week after his meeting with the COVID task force, that is all the important ministers in his cabinet, some sort of happiness for the people. But Shiv, people are, well, if you actually see what really happened then, since essential services are all open, people are not as such running to grocery stores or to the milk boats or to buy vegetables, fruits, so on and so forth, because everything is open. The Chief Minister made it very clear in his tweet on Saturday evening that the lockdown is based on experts' advice in order to cut the chain, in order to control the surge, that sudden surge in COVID-19 cases that we have seen in Bengaluru city especially. But everything else will be open. However, the Chief Minister is just asking one thing from the people: cooperate with the government, wear your mask, practice social distancing, and during the lockdown, please stay indoors. Do not go outside. This is what the government wants to know.
Okay.
However, today, Shiv, the Chief Minister had a video conference meeting with deputy commissioners and district in charge ministers. Now, he's actually left it to them to decide whether they want a lockdown in their districts or not.
Okay.
So some districts have decided to go in for a lockdown. Shimoga, only up till 3 o'clock in the afternoon. After 3, everything will be shut. This is on a voluntary basis. Dakshin Kannada will be shut for 1 week. Dharwad will be shut from the 15th till the 24th. So these are the districts that have decided that they will also go under lockdown. So we just have to see what really happens and whether this lockdown will really help in controlling the surge we have seen in the city.
Okay, thanks very much, Nolan, for getting us the latest on that. The lockdown, full lockdown in Bengaluru and parts of Karnataka begins tomorrow at 8 p.m. It will not be extended beyond 1 week. So that's some clarity that's coming in from the Karnataka government. That's a wrap on 5 Live.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.